Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name's Derek and I'm here to show you my sneaker pickups from winter 1920. As in 2019 and 2020, not 1920. Let's go. So first up, let me just reel them in, is the Yeezy 350 V2 Yeez Reel, which must mean yellow and black in Kanye's language. As you can see, got the heel tabs on these, as they were missing on shoes like the Cloud White, so it's nice to have it back. And very useful for reeling your shoes in. To be honest, I'm getting a bit bored of 350 V2s. I mean, there are hundreds of them, and all with silly names no one can pronounce. But I do like the colours on these. It's basically a glow that you're less afraid to get dirty because it's already got bits of black on. As you can see, I've taken the tag off and a bit of dirt here. I've actually worn these out and about, although won't be doing much getting out and about at the moment though, will I? So now we have the UNK Touch I Jordan 1, which actually came in a red box with black writing instead of a black box with red writing. Oh Nike, you are a funny one. The colours on these are a really nice match to my Nintendo Switch, and I'll be sure to wear them next time I'm on the Fortnite. And they're also, coincidentally, matched to these doors behind me. Who knew? Subconscious Derek, I guess. Wow. These are actually a women's release. But these particular ones fit Derek as they're a 13.5. So I've never met a woman with feet that big, but I'm open to it. Leather is lovely and tumbled. Someone took a lot of time to put these through the tumble dryer, so thank you, it looks really nice. And only one pair of laces. I'm not sure why they thought women wouldn't want lace options. They could have maybe thrown in a blue or a red. I'd smash a blue on there. But I love the black, so I'll just stick with that, I guess. Well, got no choice, have I? Even though only one lace option, they still didn't bother to lace them up. But very cool shoe. So next we have the Jordan 1 Low Paris. Bonjour. It's grey, bluish, whitish. Don't know what that has to do with Paris, and don't care really. There's this little tag here that says PRS. If I was them, I just would have had, smaller letters, and then they could have got the whole word Paris on there. So I don't know why they did that. But yeah, it's a beautiful shoe really. Not much to say about it. It has hints of the upcoming Dior Jordan Low, but they've played themselves there, because I spent 100. Why'd I spend $1,000 on the Dior one now? Well, also because I can't spend $1,000 on sneakers. Anywho, lovely little thing, and I think it'll be nice in summer. Now here's a shoe that was never meant to exist. What happened was, they sent 2 designs to the same factory and they somehow got merged together, but the result is quite beautiful. You've got 2 tongues, 2 swooshes, 2 types of lace, and 2 shoes, obviously. Materials, you've got this nice nylon, suede, and ribbons. Very nice. And let me tell you, the smell is unbelievably good. Now, I was a fool last year to sleep on the black and white waffles, but I'm just glad Nike Sneakers app has blessed me with a win this time. Just shows the app can giveth, but as we know, it mostly taketh away. But this time it was nice. Anyway, enough waffling. That was the Nike times Seiko LD Waffle Black Nylon. Now, 'cause I loves you, I'm going to throw a bonus in. This is the Snus Tumf boot, which is basically a funky edition of your classic Tumf boot. And this is great for the days I'm dragged up mountains or round lakes, but I also think it'd be good round town when we have a snow day or something. Not that we've had one of those for a very, very long time, but you never know, there might come a time. And another kind of bonus, I did actually pick up the Ivy Park Ultra Boost by Baywants and Adidas, but once again the sizing was completely messed up. Would you say, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, roll the dice? Is that right? Well, I rolled the dice and I didn't come up trumps, because your pumps don't fit. They did look really nice, but had to send them back. And now, let's take a moment for the elves. Nike Off-White Dunk. Nike Strangelove Dunk. Nike Off-White Jordan 5. Nike Travis Scott Dunk. Nike Supreme Air Force One. Well, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon.